Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to download and install Linux Mint 22.3 on VmWare Workstation. Okay, first go to Linux Mint official website and download it. It is linuxmint.com. See here the latest release is Linux Mint 22.3 and its code name is Xena. Okay, hover mouse on download, then see here we have the Linux Mint 22.3 or click on this download. See here we have the different editions Cinnamon, XFCE and Mate. Whatever you want you can download, but the installation process is same for all. Okay, in this video I'm going to download the cinnamon edition. Click on download, no need to register, it is free to download and its size is 2.9 gigabytes. Scroll down, see here we have the different mirrors. Click on any one of them. See download started, go to downloads. See here its size is 2.9 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case wait until download complete. See here I have already downloaded Linux Mint 22.3 Cinnamon ISO file. Once download is completed, then open VmWare Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse. Then select the downloaded ISO. Then click on open. Click on next. Now select Linux. Then select version as Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Mint 23 VM. This is just virtual machine name. Then this is the default location to store this virtual machine files and folders. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path. Here you have the enough space. Click on next. Here we have to provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. Then you can provide. Otherwise, click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings. Or right click and select settings. Or select it and go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay. If you're okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is start Linux Mint, and hit enter. See, if you want to use this for testing purpose, you can use. Okay. But if you want to install permanently, see here on the desktop we have the install Linux Mint icon. Right click on it, select open, or just click on it and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Select keyboard layout languages and click on continue. If you want to install multimedia codecs, you have to select the checkbox. Okay, it is up to you. If you don't want, select it and click on continue. Select the installation type, erase disk and install Linux Mint, because this is the fresh installation. So I'm going to select this erase disk, and if you want to provide the advanced features, you have to click on here. I don't want, so click on install now. Confirmation, click on continue. Select the location. Based on this location, time zone will be changed. Okay, or you can search here. Now we have to create or set up user. I'm giving user full name as Artuscos, and this is the computer name or host name. Later also you can change it. This is the username. Then set the password for this user. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. And then it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation has finished. You can continue testing Linux Mint now. But until you restart the computer, any changes you make or documents you save will not be preserved. So click on restart now. See here the message, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Right click on this one, settings, go to CD DVD, device status, unselect both the check boxes. Then click on OK, then hit enter. Now provide the username that you have set for this user. I don't want this dialog box at the startup every time, so unselect it and click on close. See, notice here before on desktop we are having install Linux. Now it is gone. Now open terminal. Increase the font size by just pressing Ctrl plus. Now verify the version mod/etc os-release. See, we have installed 22.3 and its code name is Xena. Okay, and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is like Ubuntu 24.04. Now verify the IP of this machine. ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to Linux Mint is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update ---- sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Write the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the super user. Hit enter. See, it is going to upgrade 53 packages. Type A for confirmation. Hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Linux Mint 22.3 Xena edition on VmWare Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.